Mobile number portability, or MNP, lets you switch carriers in the US without changing your phone number. This process can sometimes encounter errors, leading to service interruptions or failed transfers. Common causes of these errors include authentication failures due to incorrect account information or suspected fraud, billing disputes where carriers block ports for unpaid bills, technical glitches like network mismatches or SIM issues, and SIM swap fraud where hackers steal your number. SIM swap fraud involves hackers gathering your information, obtaining a duplicate SIM, and using it to access your accounts. To fix authentication failures, always use official carrier channels and enable two-factor authentication for secure verification. For billing disputes, settle any unpaid bills promptly or dispute the charges through the FCC. For technical issues, make sure your device is compatible and contact both the old and new carriers for assistance. To prevent SIM swap fraud, use port pins, enable biometric verification, and set up carrier alerts for any port attempts. Remember, the FCC requires carriers to securely verify your identity during the porting process. If you encounter persistent porting issues, track your request via carrier apps or FCC portals, and consider expedited options. Remember, porting is free, but expedited services may incur fees. As of 2025, security enhancements and automation have improved the process, reducing completion times. The rise of eSIMs and AI-driven verification systems further streamline transfers. Looking ahead, trends include increased e-commerce porting and device-to-device transfers for IoT devices. Future technologies like blockchain-based porting ledgers and AI-powered verifications promise to eliminate fraud and reduce errors significantly. If problems persist, file a complaint with the FCC. The FCC also has tools to help with number porting.